Good morning, students. Today we are here to discuss the topic carboxylic acids. Carboxylic acids are the compounds which contains COOH group as the main functional group. Next come to the method of preparation of carboxylic acids. First, from primary alcohols and aldehydes. Students, whenever primary alcohol like ethanol, that is C2H5OH, is oxidized in presence of alkaline potassium permanganate followed by acid hydrolysis forms acetic acid, that is CH3COOH. Second, whenever aldehydes like CH3CHO, that is acetaldehyde, or ethanol is oxidized in presence of K2Cr2O7, it forms acetic acid again, that is CH3COOH. Next preparation is from alkyl benzene. Whenever toluene, that is C6H5CH3, or benzene ring and CH3 is oxidized in presence of alkaline potassium permanganate, it forms salt potassium benzoate. That potassium benzoate on acidic hydrolysis forms benzoic acid. Next is from Grignard reagent. Whenever Grignard reagent like CH3MgBr, that is methyl magnesium bromide, is reacted with carbon dioxide in presence of dry ether, it forms CS it forms CH3COOMgBr, which on acidic hydrolysis forms CH3COOH plus magnesium hydroxybromide, that is MgOHNBr. Next example is whenever Grignard reagent like C6H5MgBr, that is phenyl magnesium bromide, is reacted with carbon dioxide in presence of dry ether, it forms C6H5COOMgBr, which on acidic hydrolysis forms benzoic acid, that is C6H5COOH plus magnesium hydroxybromide. Next is from cyanides or nitriles. Whenever cyanides are partially hydrolyzed, they form amide group. Amide on further hydrolysis form acid with the release of ammonia gas. For example, whenever methyl cyanide, that is CH3CN, is hydrolyzed with water under acidic condition forms CH3CONH2, that is acetamide. Acetamide on further hydrolysis under acidic condition form acetic acid, that is CH3COOH plus NH3 gas is released. Similarly, when phenyl cyanide, that is C6H5CN, is hydrolyzed with water under acidic condition from benzamide, that is C6H5CONH2, which on further hydrolysis under acidic condition forms C6H5COOH or benzene COOH, that is benzoic acid with the release of ammonia gas. Next is the physical properties of carboxylic acids. Whenever carboxylic acids have higher boiling point than aldehydes, ketones, and alcohols of comparable molecular mass, it is just because of presence of more stronger hydrogen bonding in carboxylic acids. Next physical property is they are almost insoluble in cold water but soluble in hot water and organic solvents like benzene, ether, and alcohols. Next come to the chemical properties of acids, carboxylic acids. Students, next come to the chemical properties. First, acidic nature. Whenever acids are reacted with metals, they form salt and hydrogen gas. For example, when two molecules of formic acid is reacted with sodium atom metal, it forms salt sodium formate, that is twice of SCOONA plus hydrogen gas is released. Similarly, when two molecules of acetic acid, that is twice of CH3COOH, is reacted with two atoms of sodium, it forms salt sodium acetate twice of CH3COONA plus H2 gas. Next is reaction with alkalis. Whenever acid reacts with alkali or base, it forms salt and water. For example, CH3COOH, that is acetic acid, is reacted with alkali sodium hydroxide NaOH. It forms salt, that is CH3COONA plus water is released. Next is example is whenever benzoic acid, that is C6H5COOH, is reacted with sodium hydroxide NaOH, it forms sodium benzoate, that is C6H5COONA plus water is released. Next is reaction with bicarbonates. Whenever metal bicarbonates are reacted with acids, it forms its respective salt, water, and carbon dioxide is gas is released. For example, whenever acetic acid, that is CH3COOH, is reacted with sodium bicarbonate NaHCO3, it forms salt, that is CH3COONA plus water plus CO2 gas. Another example is when benzoic acid, that is C6H5COOH, is reacted with sodium bicarbonate NaHCO3, it forms sodium benzoate, that is C6H5COONA plus H2O plus CO2 gas is released. Next is formation of acetic anhydride. Whenever two molecules of acetic acid is heated in presence of P2O5, it releases one of the water molecule and form acetic anhydride. That is, two molecules of acetic acid on heating in presence of P2O5 form acetic anhydride, that is CH3CO whole twice O plus H2O. Next is reaction with PCl5. Whenever acids are reacted with PCl5, they form their acyl compound plus HCl plus phosphorus oxytrichloride. For example, when acetic acid, that is CH3COOH, is reacted with PCl5, form acetyl chloride, that is CH3COCl plus HCl plus POCl3. Another example is whenever benzoic acid, that is C6H5COOH, is reacted with PCl5, it forms C6H5COCl plus HCl plus POCl3. Next is reaction with thionyl chloride. Whenever acids are reacted with thionyl chloride, formalize SOCl2. It forms their acyl compound plus HCl plus POCl3. For example, C6H5COOH is reacted with SOCl2. It forms C6H5COCl, that is benzoyl chloride plus HCl plus POCl3. Next is reaction with ammonia. Whenever a carboxylic acid is reacted with ammonia, they form their salt, that is ammonium acetate. Ammonium acetate on further heating form acetamide. Acetamide on further heating forms cyanide. For example, whenever acetic acid, that is CH3COOH, is reacted with ammonia NH3, it forms salt ammonium acetate, that is CH3COONH4. This salt on heating removes a water molecule forming acetamide, that is CH3CONH2, which on further heating again removes a water molecule from it and form methyl cyanide, that is CH3CN. Another example is whenever benzoic acid, that is C6H5COOH, is reacted with ammonia gas, it forms ammonium benzoate, that is C6H5COONH4, which on further heating removes a water molecule, forms benzamide, that is C6H5CONH2, which on further heating it forms phenyl cyanide, that is C6H5CN. Next is esterification reaction. Whenever the carboxylic acids are reacted with alcohols in presence of concentrated sulfuric acid, forms ester, which has fruity smell with the removal of water. For example, whenever carboxylic acid like acetic acid CH3COOH is reacted with alcohol, that is C2H5OH, in presence of concentrated sulfuric acid or in acidic condition in presence of H positive ion, from CH3COO C2H5 plus H2O. Next is Kolb's electrolysis. In Kolb's electrolysis, in Kolb's electrolysis, When two molecules of acetic acid are electrolyzed, it forms acetate ion and potassium ions. Whenever these ions are formed, the reaction takes place at anode. That two molecules of acetate ion loses two electrons and form twice of CH3COO. This compound is highly unstable. From this, the carbon dioxide gas is released, and with the formation of ethane gas. Similarly, at cathode, the reaction takes place. The potassium ions gains two electrons and form potassium metal. The potassium metal further reacts with water, forming potassium hydroxide and hydrogen gas. Next is HVZ reaction. In HVZ reaction, the acetic acid is reacted with chlorine in presence of red phosphorus. One of the H of acetic acid CH3 is removed with joined with Cl, and one of the Cl is joining with the same place. It forms monochloroacetic acid, that is CH2Cl COOH. Further, this substitution reaction takes place in presence of phosphorus. One more H is removed with a Cl, and another Cl come and join, forming CHCl2COOH. Further, it reacts with chlorine in presence of red phosphorus, forming trichloroacetic acid, that is CCl3COOH, with the removal of last HCl. Next is electrophilic substitution reaction. Whenever benzoic acid is reacted with concentrated nitric acid in presence of concentrated sulfuric acid, it forms M-carboxy nitrobenzoic acid. The nitro group of nitric acid joins on meta position. Similarly, when concentrated sulfuric acid is reacted with benzoic acid, it forms M-carboxy benzene sulfonic acid. The HSO3 group of concentrated sulfuric acid joins on the meta position with the release of water. Next come to the test of formic acid. Formic acid gives silver mirror test with tolerance reagent. Formic acid gives red brown precipitate with filling solution. Formic acid decolorizes potassium permanganate solution. Next is test of acetic acid. Acetic acid gives red wine color with neutral ferric chloride. Acetic acid gives fruity smell of ester in presence of concentrated sulfuric acid on reaction with alcohols. Next is test of benzoic acid. Benzoic acid gives buff color precipitate with neutral ferric chloride. Benzoic acid also gives sweet smelling compound ester on warming with ethanol and concentrated sulfuric acid. Thank you and have a nice day.